What I like very much, because that's touching key issues of energy and waste. So energy, I believe that's the first priority for all islands, and then we are coming to waste, which is another, with islands and having a lot of this import, a lot of keeping the waste on the islands, huge problem. So that could be, or that should be the solution, for one of the solutions what we are thinking about waste, as recycling partition of this, and eventually making gas and making energy from the waste. I believe Aruba is doing something excellent with this what we discussed today, that you are starting from 85, so it's now 30 years working as this social community approach to the issues of Aruba, that everybody feels Aruba as own, that everybody is approaching to the proper, clean development, smile, happy island. So all this sustainability, that's what you are doing wonderful. So that's first. So to make sustainable island, and that is not only OCTs, it's all over the world islands. So that is issues that you are doing here excellent. You are, what I love with this multinational, multicultural, multilinguistic, that you are doing wonderful, having this community really working together. One of the best islands that I have visited and feel that wonderful. And then that what you are doing on energy, on transport, this with what you are trying with electric cars, what you are doing in energy, to go with 2020, same what Europe is trying to do completely renewable. That is something that makes you unique. And then we are coming to this particular Ecogas, and I love this, what you are doing with waste and moving to energy. Personally, it's early stage, and I have some, not say doubts, but just I believe that fully in this concept. I believe fully, and only what I would like to have full picture how to make this sustainable. Because I'm sure that we should not talk about incentives, about subsidies. No, we are not talking about this. We're talking because you are bringing a lot to the public, a lot to your island, and to see under which conditions you should do this. Under which conditions Aruba will have solution for waste and solution for energy. One, because that's just one part, small piece, linking renewable energy, transport, this complete set, and you are part of this. So under which conditions you can be part of this sustainable energy, sustainable island, one happy island.
Well, we're happy that Mr. Milan, Professor Milan, has visited us here. It's a great honor to have him here. We often experience different people coming over, but especially Mr. Milan gives us a different view on how outside of government, for example, the EU countries, they think about how to help the OCT countries. And we would hope that we could be part of that help for the other islands throughout the Caribbean, for example, or in issue. I think we could be an asset for the countries and the Caribbean islands especially because, one, we're the first, and we're hoping to be able to either cut and paste, like we say, this type of technology to the other islands. And I think the European Union could be a help in that. Many times or often governments are slow-paced. That's inherent to what they do. I think the European Union could help in speeding up that space, especially if it has to do with the economic development of those countries. In that respect, I think it would be helpful with them.